Our dry belt busted in Cub Cadet cc800. That's this big one here. So we'll take off this lid, and you only have a bolt here in the front, a bolt in the side, and a bolt on this other side. Just a screw. This is the old one. We'll hit a stump. We'll hit a stump, and this is the old one. So to put the new one in, the new one goes from here across this pulley and the bottom of that. You know, you got a pulley on top. You can take this pulley off just by pushing this forward. They'll give you the slack to push this one up. You bring this belt over, then you get your dry belt. Start feeding it in through the bottom. Here it comes across. Okay.